All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to put a aluminum undershield on your G35 350Z. Pretty much the same thing. So, all right, so here's the undershield we have for the G. So got the car jacked up. Now these tabs here are broken on the bottom here from the previous video, but I think the clips that the new undershield came with still fit in here enough, so we're just gonna send it with that. So here's the hardware. These clips are the ones we're gonna use. Make sure these are facing upwards, so this is flat there. The top side you want to be facing up, going towards the engine, and then the flat side would be going towards the ground. So here are the clips. What I mean, there's 6 of them. One underneath there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one tucking in underneath here as well. So again, face them upwards, like you see, like that. Undershield, and we're gonna screw the bolts in from the bottom to the top from those 6 sections. All right, so grab yourself nice little 10 mil here. It's gonna save you guys a lot of time when you're tightening down these 6 bolts here. So unless you guys are doing this on a lift with some other hands, I recommend getting like a box or some surface that's gonna help rest this against while you're trying to mount it to these 4 bolts here, and then you can eventually bolt on the backside there. So have something to kind of hold the weight of this while you're trying to mount it to the front and the back. And then these clips are gonna go on this one here like this, as we're gonna put this on top of this layer. So this is gonna be in the bottom, screws gonna go through here. This is gonna go over this lip. These are gonna be on the back of the undershield, like the back 2 bolts that hold it in. So you wanna put those 2 washers between. So one here, at the bottom, and one on top. So, all right, so we finished putting in the undershield, everything's tightened down. Let me show you guys what the final results look like on the G. So here we go. Bam. We got no rattling. It's all secured. So these were the I was talking about earlier. Those washer bushing looking things go in the back too, and then these clips go for everything else. I actually had to reuse my old 2 clips I had for this side right here, and then right there's another one. I had to reuse my old clips, so keep that in mind. I don't know if mine came short, because I had 2 extra bolts, but I didn't have 2 extra clips, so I don't know if I had to reuse them or I was just missing them, but we're all good here. So looks good. Hangs a little lower than the bumper, as you can see. Like, this is like level height, so it's probably like another few inches down. So I'm probably gonna scrape, honestly, going some places like my driveway and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. At least it protects the undercarriage of the engine area.